If I had to start over today with no experience, a full-time job, and just a few hours to spare each week, there is one side hustle that I would choose over anything else. And not because it's a get-rich-quick scheme or because it's even guaranteed to make you money, but because it's inexpensive to start, can grow from almost anywhere, and can grow into an empire over the course of time. I am talking about affiliate marketing. In today's video, we're going to go over what affiliate marketing is, why I believe it is so powerful, and how you can implement it today as a side hustle here in 2026. Let's dive into it. Unlike many side hustles that require trading your time for money, affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by recommending products or services through content you create. But before you think that this sounds too good to be true, let's talk about what affiliate marketing actually is. Affiliate marketing is really simple. You recommend a product using a special link. If someone purchases through that link, you may earn a small commission from the company at no extra cost to the consumer. You're not creating the product, you're not paying to store the product, you're not shipping the product, you are simply just connecting the customer to the product and get paid for it. Companies love affiliate marketing because they only pay commissions when a sale happens. It's performance-based marketing. Now, there's really three reasons why I feel like affiliate marketing is such a slam dunk side hustle in 2026. And number one is the low startup cost. Many affiliate marketers begin with tools they already own: a phone, a computer, an internet connection. Compared to businesses that require inventory or office space, the upfront costs are significantly lower. Another reason that I really like affiliate marketing is that it's scalable. If your side hustle is mowing lawns, then you need more time to be able to mow more lawns. With affiliate marketing, one helpful video or blog post can continue to reap rewards long after you have initially posted the video. That doesn't mean the work stops. You'll still need to create quality content consistently, but unlike many traditional side hustles, your previous work can continue providing value long after it's been created. Now, one misconception with affiliate marketing is that you have to be an expert when you first start, and that's simply not true. You don't need to know everything, you just need to be able to solve problems for people. People search online every day for answers. If you can create helpful content that answers those questions, you can build trust over time. Now let's talk about the reality with this though. Affiliate marketing is not about making money on day one. In fact, most people do not make a meaningful income from affiliate marketing immediately. It takes time to build an audience. It takes consistency to create valuable content, and it often takes months before seeing meaningful results. That's why so many people quit too early. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, here is a simple roadmap. Number one is creating a niche that you are passionate about. Next, you're going to need to create content that helps people solve problems. As you're doing that, you're going to join an affiliate program that is related to your niche. And you're going to want to recommend products that are of value to your watchers or your subscribers. And lastly, you need to remain consistent. The goal isn't to sell, the goal is to help. The more helpful your content becomes, the more trust you build with your audience. There's never been an easier time to publish content. YouTube, blogs, other social media or newsletters. There are countless ways to get in front of people online, and that isn't going away anytime soon. But the people who start today do have an advantage over those who continue to wait. What are you waiting for? Every piece of content you publish becomes another opportunity for someone to discover your work. And over time, those opportunities can add up. So why do I think that affiliate marketing is the number one side hustle in 2026? There are several reasons. The low startup cost, the flexible hours, the ability to scale over time. There's no inventory or shipping that you have to do as the affiliate marketer. And lastly, you've got the potential to earn from content that you've already created. That doesn't mean that it's easy. It's going to take patience and time for affiliate marketing to start working in your favor. But if you do stick with it, it does have the potential to be a great side hustle for you that can really scale into something pretty large in the years ahead. If you're looking for a great side hustle with long-term potential, affiliate marketing is one of the first places that I would start. Are you thinking about starting a new side hustle this year? Let me know down in the comments. I'm curious what everyone is interested in doing. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on any future side hustle content. I really appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one.